Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a quick happy mail to share with you today. This is coming from my girl Gina Supnet, who we affectionately call G2 on our live chats. So she sent me some happy mail. Actually, we were on a live and I was talking about this particular die that I've been on the hunt for since it existed. And Gina just so happened to have duplicates. So she shared it with me and I just want to say thank you so much, friend. You know, it's going to go to great use. Don't mind my finger. I've been packing for my daughter and I've crushed several fingers. So anyway, I'm going to open this right now. Thank you so much. Gina has been so supportive and such a generous, crafty friend. She sent me, I don't want to tear the sticker, so I'm cutting the very edge. Good. I didn't cut anything. And she sent a few of us crafters happy mail just out of the pure, you know, generosity that she has. Oh my goodness, this card is so cute, Gina. First of all, I'm from the islands. I'm from Guam. I love anything tropical. This is adorable. I love the stamp. I love the little monstera leaves, the palm leaf, all that. So gorgeous. And this is just for you. And here it is. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. So this is the die we were talking about, and she shared this with me because I've been looking for this since we started doing swaps. This is like the explosion die, the starburst, whatever you want to call it. And it's just a beautiful nesting set and I love it. I tried to replicate this on Cricut Design Space. No can do. Nothing matches this shape. I wish that I could replicate it. I probably can later be able to make it larger. But to have this, Gina, you are so awesome. Thank you so very much, friend. And she just put a little note, Eileen, and then she stamped her little sentiment. Very cute. Laughter is the shortest distance between two people. Enjoy your starburst stick die. Stacked. I'm sorry, I can't read. Stacked die. Always Gina Supnet, G2. Yes, she is our girl, G2 girlfriend. And she's got her stamp here. Paper hug from me, Gina Supnet. 26 G2. 26 is 2026, guys. But yes, I would definitely put this to great use. As a matter of fact, I will be using this in one of the lives. If you follow Ebony and myself, or even Luisa, we craft together online, and we go live and we just have a blast. So you guys make sure you're following and subbing and turn on all the notifications on Instagram and YouTube. And my name is the same on both platforms, Eileen Payne, no space, on YouTube and Instagram. So I will leave Gina's links in the description box below, and I hope you guys go give her a follow. She's just getting started on her YouTube channel, but she is more active on Instagram. So I'll leave both links in the description. Again, go follow her and the other two ladies that I mentioned. And yeah, I hope to see you on one of my lives in one of the places, Ebony or Luisa's or my own channel. And yeah, thank you again, Gina. You know I appreciate this so much, girlfriend, and we're going to put that to use. So thank you, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.